Unsupervised learning, as we've seen, is all about finding patterns in data without any labels. But where does this actually get used in the real world? Let's explore a few key applications. First, we have customer segmentation in the marketing and retail industry. Here, unsupervised learning is used to group customers based on their purchasing behavior, demographics, or browsing patterns. This helps businesses tailor their marketing strategies, create personalized experiences, and ultimately improve customer satisfaction. Next, there's topic modeling in industries like natural language processing, NLP, media, and content management. In this case, unsupervised learning helps to discover the main topics within large sets of text data. This is especially useful for organizing and summarizing information from documents, articles, or social media posts. Another important application is anomaly detection in fields like finance, cybersecurity, and manufacturing. Unsupervised learning is used to identify unusual patterns that might indicate fraud, security breaches, or faults in machinery. By catching these anomalies early, organizations can respond quickly to minimize risks and prevent damage. Lastly, we have image segmentation in healthcare, autonomous vehicles, and computer vision. Unsupervised learning helps segment different tissues or organs in medical images like MRIs. Or it can help an autonomous vehicle recognize and segment parts of its environment, such as roads, pedestrians, and obstacles. These examples show how powerful unsupervised learning can be in understanding and leveraging patterns across a wide range of industries.